Brent driving his little Cobalt. That thing sounds horrible. Alright guys, so last week you saw that we did the engine bay, prepped all that, painted it up. This week we're going to go into the inside, we're going to peel this dash back out for the 20th time. There's all the sound deadening material back here that we're going to take out. Here, yeah. You can see that back there, we already kind of got it ripped out, so we're going to cut that off, get most of that out. Then we're going to put the dash back in, we're going to put the steering column back in, we're going to put the seat back in, we're going to put Brad in here, he's over here. And then we're going to mount this handbrake. You want to show them that handbrake?
Absolutely. So Chasebays had a very unique handbrake that came out. It is sick. Plate. Look at this bad boy. So yeah, we're going to be rocking that thing to take the shock out of the system so we don't blow things apart every time we launch.
Got it.
Good deal.
While you're over there talking about your handbrake. What is this? Field press. Do you want to grab me a 10 mil socket?
Yep.
And my, you know my little clip tool?
Yeah.
Yeah, grab that too.
Quit asking me questions. Yeah, I know you, but we ain't friends. Quit asking me questions. Yeah, we in this section, but you can't get in. Quit asking me questions. Yeah, I got the new Chrysler, blue with the tint. Quit asking me questions. I'm tired of these questions. Asking me questions, I want them more questions.
The pure definition of ground up.
On my shoulder, then I got older and older, and I had to flick it off. I feel like a boss, like I'm Ricky Ross, but I got no Maybachs. They do anything for the clout. It's thanks when they say that. If I take your girl, don't be in my DM, asking for your payback. We save a lot of things like money, but hoes gonna say that. And homie, they straight facts. Yeah, I know you, but we ain't friends. Quit asking me questions. Yeah, we in this section, but you can't.
All right, guys, you guys want to see something funny? Brad, get in the car.
Such a dick. What's up now?
You actually made that look pretty good.
Welcome.
Oh. So you comfy?
Yeah.
Your foot? Can you reach the pedals?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Is that as far back as it goes?
Yep. Sounds like it.
Okay.
Good?
Yeah.
Okay. Where do you want your handbrake?
I almost feel like the seat could move over.
Well, it literally can't.
Well, that's all I'm saying. But other than that, yeah.
Bam! Wall! Dead! Do you want to put your handbrake in?
Yeah.
Where do you want it?
Where my hand goes?
Here. You want it over there? Or do you want it next to you? Because we could put it right here.
Right here?
Yeah.
I don't know if that's a lot of room though. With how close the seat is.
Yeah, you're right.
So.
That's so far away though, your short little arms.
It is. But we could also do it here. Maybe a little cocked over.
Now shift. Is that in the way?
Not really.
No?
I mean, even if my arm bumps it, it's not the end of the world. You know what I'm saying?
But I could also put it right there.
But then it's gonna, the other seat.
Yeah, move the other seat over. It doesn't matter where that seat goes. Look how much room you have on both sides of the. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And then we just put 90s down.
I guess ideally.
Just over a little.
What about all the junk that's down here?
There's no junk down there.
Okay. So, I mean, honestly, I mean, even if we did something like that, where it's not super, well, you gotta remember, you have the whole lines that come out this way too.
That's what I just said. I'll put 90s down.
Okay, 90s down, yeah. I mean, even this is a decent spot here.
Yeah.
Right here. Right here.
But no, you have to think about your shifter.
Right. That's what I'm saying. We can just bump this over just a smidge.
Okay. So like half on.
Yeah, half on, half off. Yeah, and then this gives me all the room right here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sounds good. Let's do it.
Here.
Boys just got back from doing a little rip ski out to the gas station. Let's see what Brent thinks.
What? Dude.
So what'd you think?
Holy shit, that is fucking impressive. Like, holy shit.
Pretty cool, huh?
Oh yeah.
Absolutely.
That was awesome.
Okay, after a little further review here, Eric was just looking at.
We're just gonna cut it all out.
We're gonna cut this out.
It's a nice thing, but it's not gonna work.
Yep.
So the seat sits. You should be centered on the steering wheel, and the seat kind of sits like over here. But with the seat brackets we made down here, we can't move it over any farther. So we're gonna cut out these sweet seat brackets, and we're gonna cut these out, and then we're gonna drill holes in the floor. We're gonna mount the seat bracket directly to the floor, and then we're gonna cut a square out of here, drill a hole in it, pretty much make like an oversized washer. We'll put it on the bottom and then bolt the seat bracket. If you look, that's already like 1/8 inch steel. So then you'll have this bolted on the bottom, and it'll sandwich the floor between it. It'll be plenty strong to hold Brad's large self in there.
Yep. So now we got to readjust things, and then we'll have to get the seat back in there and refeel how the handbrake is. And I'm glad we caught this now before we started getting into it too in depth, and then all of a sudden everything's just cocked all kitty wampus. I mean, honestly, the thing is about safety. It's all about safety
And comfort.
and comfort and all this stuff.
Like, you gotta remember that you're gonna be wearing your race suit, and you're gonna have gloves on, and you're gonna have a helmet. You're not comfy, and it's 90 degrees outside. So you need to make it as comfortable as you can now. So then when you have all your stuff on, it's as comfortable as it can be.
Exactly.
And this is all, like, we're not professionals. We're just, like, I've built race cars, but, you know, you still learn things, and you still gotta go, yeah, we took all that time, and you guys saw us make that, but it's just not gonna work.
Which
So-
is fine.
So that's where you could sit and fight it and be like, well, I wanna use this, or you can just go, it's not gonna work, cut it out, start over.
And that's what we're gonna do.
Yep.
You know, it's a little monotonous, but this is a learning curve for you guys too on the channel. I mean, we're here to make mistakes for you, so you don't do it.
Yeah, don't build that seat bracket, that's not good. That doesn't work.
Asking me questions. Yeah, I got the new Chrysler, blue with the tint. Quit asking me questions. I'm tired of these questions. Asking me questions, I want my questions. Yeah, I know you, but we ain't friends. Quit asking me questions. Yeah, we in this section, but you can't get in. Quit asking me questions. Yeah, I got the new Chrysler, blue with the tint. Quit asking me questions. I'm tired of these questions. Asking me questions, I want my questions. The grass greener on the other side. I took a peek in that grass red from all these homicides. I mean, you gotta look alive, cause in the field get live, or you gonna have your mama.
All right. What'd you get done?
What did I get done? I got a seat mounted. Again? I mounted it twice. This time I feel like it's better though. So these are like little sleeves that I had laying around. So I'm gonna weld those to the floor. We just got it in there for now so we can get this handbrake done. But yeah, now, I don't know. It's more centered and Brad, you wanna get in there?
Oh, I suppose.
Oh, that's way more centered on it. The dash isn't attached.
Oh yeah, there's plenty of room now.
Like it? Much better, huh?
Yep.
Okay, handbrake. Here you go.
I'm gonna find my sweet spot now.
Right? Now that you have all the adjustment in the world.
Pretty much, yeah. We'll see if I think we're gonna stick with the original spot.
Okay.
I think it'll be most logical.
Stay in there for a second. Sit straight. Oh, we have so much more room.
Good. Well, yeah.
And you're lower.
Am I?
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah, I like it. It was a good idea to move that seat. See, sometimes, guys, you just gotta suck it up and admit your failure and redo it because it could turn out better.
All right, I'm dumb. That was backwards. So this is how it operates.
I just pinched my fingers.
Yeah, well. So that's the spot we're gonna stick it in. We got a little confused because it doesn't make any sense because I don't know why you'd put your logo facing the other way, but whatever's clever, I guess.
So the people in the engine bay can read it.
I guess.
We good up there.
And asking God why is my son in that casket? Why he get called lacking? Why was he acting tough knowing damn well he bad at acting? His girl say he be tripping, but the ops say he wasn't packing. Some niggas just wasn't built for the other side. Yeah, I know you, but we ain't friends. Quit asking me questions. Yeah, we in this section, but you can't get in. Quit asking me questions. Yeah, I got the new Chrysler, blue with the tint. Quit asking me questions. I'm tired of these questions. Asking me questions, I want my questions. Yeah, I know you, but we ain't friends. Quit asking me questions. Yeah, we in this section, but you can't get in. Quit asking me questions. Yeah, I got the new Chrysler, blue with the tint. Quit asking me questions. I'm tired of these questions. Asking me questions, I want my questions. Question. Quit asking.
Brad, you ready to launch?
Absolutely.
We got this in.
Less stress.
And then, after we move the seat and everything else. So now we'll run a line back and we're gonna take this out. So then we'll probably go through the old existing e-brake cable hole. And yeah, so I don't know what else to say.
There's nothing much to say. Anyways, thanks for watching. This thing got done twice now. So pick one, whatever. This one's better because it's a little more centered. But like and subscribe. It's a lot more better.
It is way better.
It's okay. It's a ton better, and it actually is.
Hey, do you guys remember the video about when the Talon broke and I couldn't find the problem because it was simple? So keep it simple because this is way easier to do. We literally did it in an hour, where the other thing took me like what, 3 days? So
remember that video when he said, "Just have a buddy, it makes things simpler." Well, my buddy made it more complicated, so I don't know what he meant by any of that. It's DSM guy stuff, I guess. Whatever. But we're gonna keep on chugging along here for the next forever.
what are we gonna do next week?
Who knows? Are we gonna drop this fuel cell or fuel tank?
Yeah, we're gonna drop that, and then we're gonna mock up all our fuel lines, and all fuel filter, and I don't know. And then we'll find some other stuff to do
Absolutely.
until we get a tubing bender, so we can bend all this pipe, and then yeah. So, what do you say now, Brad?
Oh, like and subscribe.
And
Support your local racetrack.